In this Django course, we will cover these concepts so that you not only walk away with a working website like this, but also have a fundamental understanding of these concepts so that you can apply them to your own website. I'm sure you've also seen Django and Python tutorials online that are hours long, and I don't know about you, but I prefer bite-sized videos where I can actually wrap my head around what's going on. So that's why this video series pretty much dedicates a single topic to each video. I started learning Django back in 2016 when I created this website that tracks the price of diamonds, and have created numerous other Python-powered websites over the years. I've certainly made my fair share of mistakes when it comes to Django, and I believe that's one of the best ways that you can learn, so I hope to share some of those lessons with you here. We'll start out by setting up Python 3, then a new Django project, and then we'll make a simple Hello World website. Next, we'll cover HTML templates, followed by Django models, which in my opinion is one of the most important aspects of Django. We'll follow that up with the Django admin site that does a lot of heavy lifting for us, then rendering out templates with context, followed by Django forms, and then CRUD, which is where a lot of the action happens. We'll then take our pretty drab website and put some bootstrap into it to make it look nice, and at that point you'll have a website where you can add, update, and delete names and their corresponding scores from a table like this. Each video is linked below, and we'll have code snippets available at Tony Teaches Tech so you can copy and paste as necessary, and I also have a repository on GitHub where each commit corresponds to each video. The topics that I teach on this channel go far beyond Django, and I feel like I'm kind of taking a risk by publishing so much free Django content because I know it's not relevant to the majority of people. But if I can inspire and or teach at least some of you in these videos, then I'll consider my efforts worthwhile. So let me know what kind of websites you end up making. Subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos, and I hope you enjoy.